Imagine cruising down the highway when your engine suddenly dies, steering stiffens, and warning lights flash. A tiny timing belt may have snapped, leaving you stranded with a costly repair ahead. In this video, we'll show key warning signs of a failing timing belt or chain so you can spot trouble early and avoid engine damage. Definition and purpose. The timing belt or chain keeps your engine's camshaft and crankshaft perfectly synchronized so each cylinder fires at the right moment. Belts, made of reinforced rubber, can crack, stretch, or lose teeth. Chains, made of metal, may rattle, stretch, or wear guides. If either fails, valves and pistons can collide, causing severe engine damage. Catching warning signs early can save your engine and your wallet from catastrophic failure. Symptoms of a bad timing belt or chain. 1. Unusual engine noises. The first symptom is strange engine noise. A failing timing belt may create a ticking or clicking sound, often from worn or damaged belt teeth. A failing timing chain usually produces a metallic rattling, especially on startup when the chain tensioner is weak. These sounds mean the belt or chain is loose or slipping. Ignoring these noises can lead to sudden failure. 2. Engine misfires or rough running. A stretched chain or a slipping belt can throw off valve timing. The result is misfires, rough idling, or vibrations. You may feel the car shake at idle, stumble under load, or sound like it's coughing. This happens because the spark, valves, and pistons are out of sync. Frequent misfires are a clear warning that the timing system may be failing. Loss of power or sputtering at high RPM. Another common symptom is a drop in performance. If you accelerate and feel hesitation, sputtering, or lack of power, the timing system could be struggling. At higher RPMs like 2,000 to 4,000, you may notice the car lag or feel weak. A worn belt may slip or a chain may stretch, making it impossible for the engine to keep perfect time under stress. 4. Check engine light. Modern cars have sensors that monitor camshaft and crankshaft alignment. If the timing is off, the computer will detect it and trigger the check engine light. This is especially common with timing chains, which stretch over time. While the light alone doesn't guarantee a bad belt or chain, combined with other symptoms, it's a strong sign to get the system inspected. 5. Oil leaks from the timing cover. If you notice oil leaking from the front of the engine, the timing system could be involved. Timing belts are enclosed behind a cover with seals and gaskets. If those seals wear out, oil can leak and damage the belt. This speeds up deterioration and can lead to overheating. Chains, which run inside the engine, aren't affected this way, but belts exposed to oil should always be replaced quickly. 6. Visible wear on the belt. Timing belts can sometimes be visually inspected. With the engine off, if you can access the belt, look for cracks, frayed edges, missing teeth, or shiny spots. Any of these signs mean the belt is near failure. Timing chains are internal and harder to check, but if you can inspect a belt and it looks worn, don't wait to replace it. 7. Excess exhaust smoke. A failing timing system can cause thick smoke from the exhaust. When valve timing is off, combustion suffers, and unburnt fuel exits as black or gray smoke. If you notice extra exhaust along with rough running or poor performance, the timing belt or chain may be at fault. Quick testing tips. Listen for noises. A ticking sound suggests belt issues, while a rattling sound indicates chain slack. Listen carefully during startup. Look for leaks. Oil around the timing cover is a clue the belt is being damaged. Scan for codes. A check engine light with cam/crank correlation codes often means timing issues. Check oil. Metallic flakes in oil suggest a chain problem. Know your schedule. Most belts should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Chains last longer but still wear. Don't rely on luck to service them on schedule. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more car tips, and I'll see you in the next one.